the global public cloud computing market topping $250 billion in 2019, and more than 80% of all organizations projected to migrate to the cloud by 2025, cloud computing is a massively growing business. Consequently, professionals with cloud architecture expertise and the ability to design, build, and migrate applications are in massively high demand. With Udacity's new AWS Cloud Architect Nanodegree program, students learn to plan, design, and implement secure cloud infrastructure in AWS at scale. AWS is the world's largest systems business, and AWS cloud architects earn salaries starting at $127,000 a year annually. Students in this Nanodegree program will begin by designing and building high availability infrastructure, and move on to building scalable, secure, and cost-optimized architecture. With real-world, hands-on projects, students learn to plan, design, provision, migrate, and monitor infrastructure in AWS for up to 1 million users using industry-standard and open-source tools. After graduating, students will be well-placed to take a critical role in an organization's cloud computing strategy as an AWS cloud architect. Enroll in Udacity's AWS Cloud Architect Nanodegree program today.